Well, hello everyone, it's Lonnie. We're in the shed, of course, and wow, what a day yesterday. Yesterday was a fantastic eBay day for me. Most sales I've done in quite a while, so needed a day like that. Let me share some sales with y'all, some stuff that is going out today. Okay, I went ahead and pulled some Super Nintendo stuff here. So this is a Super Game Boy. It's like an adapter cartridge. You plug your Game Boy game into here, and then you plug this into a Super Nintendo, and you can play your Game Boy games on it. This sold for $19.99, free ship. All right, here's some more games that sold. And these all three went on the same order too. Desert Strike, Return to the Gulf, $4.99. Then Super Mario All-Stars, Super Mario World. It's got both games on it. I have copies of Super Mario World also, but this has both. $24.99. And then finally, this copy of Super Mario RPG Legend of the Seven Stars. $45.99 for this one. And yeah, I did free ship on these, so that's a really good order. That's what, 46, 25, 71. That's a $76 order right there. So that's a good one. All right, I've had this for quite a while. Copic ABS Airbrush System Comic Illustration. Some kind of, this is it's a DVD about how to do this kind of artwork or something. New, sealed. I got $9.99 plus shipping on top for that. I actually thought that was software at first, but it's not. It's a DVD. Okay, I was just talking about the Super Mario World. This one did sell. Super Mario World right here. It does have a crack in it, so I made it a little cheaper than a lot of the other ones, and I disclosed the crack, of course. $10.99 free ship for that. And then yesterday I listed some PS2 games, and one of them sold. It's a Spyro game, A New Beginning. I think this is the right one. Let me double check. Yep, Legend of Spyro, A New Beginning, $9.99 free shipping for that one. Look at all this small stuff. I love it. Then I had to pull my case of Laserdiscs down. I sold a Madonna disc. I guess like a music video type disc or something. I'm not exactly sure. Pretty inexpensive one though. I think probably just about as inexpensive as I've ever sold these for, because it went for $6.99. It might be in here. There it is. Madonna Truth or Dare. Or no, wait, that's a movie, isn't it? Oh heck, yeah, I think that's a movie. Look, she has all access on her back. Yeah, I think that's a movie. I never saw that. But yeah, $6.99 plus shipping on top for that. All right, I sold a filter. This right here. This is a 2-pack of filters. $14.99. Did I charge shipping? Yes, $14.99 plus shipping on top for that. All right, I sold some WCW cards. Oh, here they are. I sold one box, I believe. Let me double check that. I think these are the same, both of them. Let me see. Nitro. Yeah, these are both the same thing. Let me make sure it's only quantity 1 on this order. But these came from my guy. I've had them a little while. It says box of 12. I just want to make sure I send the right quantity out. Okay, yeah, I still have one left in stock. So yeah, I got $24.99 plus shipping on top for this sealed box of, I think it's a trading card game, it says. Contains 12 2-player starter decks. Sold a Billy Meltzer again. This little dude, I had a bunch of these, like, they're these Funko Pop Reactions figures, and I have a bunch of them, and they've been selling pretty well. I think this is about the 5th one I've sold now. You know, little bitty sales, a $7.99 plus shipping on top for that one. All right, I think this camera is up here. I'm not positive. Let's see. I don't know why I have a... It may not be up here. It might be in the camera box. Take a look. Could be in the camera box, or it could be over here. Oh, you know where else it could be? It could be in one of these squares. Apparently, I don't know where the heck it is, honestly. Let's see. Is it sitting in a square? No, not in a square. Where is this camera? It must be in the camera box. Let me go look. Okay, so yeah, imagine that. The camera I was looking for is in the camera box. Who would have guessed that, right? Roamer 1. It's an old bellows style camera. I sold it as is. It's got the manual and everything in there. I bought this for $5 at a church sale, I think 2 weeks ago, and I got $24.99 plus shipping on top for that. So really good sale. I like it. Okay, I sold one of these quick set things over here. And if y'all see this fan, whenever it gets warm, I notice like the air conditioner is plenty big enough to cool this shed down, but I found that putting this fan like not quite halfway down the aisle here, it helps circulate that cool air up front really well. So I think it's going to work out really good. I haven't tried a 100-degree day out yet to know for sure, but I think I'm going to be good. I'm looking for I think it was 719 CHL. There it is down there. This was a nice little sale here. 719 CHL. Yeah, there we go. $39.99 free shipping on that. Free ship. All right, pick this monorail game up. You know where I got this? I think I got this. Oh, I know where I got this. Whenever I went to Houston, and Tanya, aka Thrifty Treasures, was there with me, and yeah, I picked this game up. I don't remember what I paid for it, but I remember it was I just thought it was cool looking, really. That's really the only reason I picked it up. I sold it for $9.99 plus shipping on top, so at least it sold quick. I don't even remember what I paid for it. Maybe $2. It wasn't expensive, or I wouldn't have bought it. I don't remember. Tanya, if you see this, do you remember what I paid for it? I might have to go back and look at the video. All right, I sold a... This didn't take long, but I sold a PlayStation... Move this stuff out the way. I sold this PlayStation 2 Slim, and I put it in the box I'm going to ship it in, but it's not fully packed yet, like padded and all that stuff. But yeah, it comes with system, all the wires, power supply, a 1-wire controller, and 2 games, RPG Maker and some kind of Star Wars game. Sold that for $49.99 plus shipping on top. All right, I'm not going to take these guys out yet, but I'll show them to you. Japanese Samurai, Spanish Conquistador. Who is that back there? That is the Greek Spartan and the English Knight. They all have their weapons, and they all have their little COAs. And yeah, these are like armor sets on top of, they're mounted on mannequins like that. And those all sold to one person in the UK. So yeah, really good sale. I don't know what to say. That's one of the better sales I've had lately. $480 I got total. It's 120. We worked it out to like 120 per unit. So $480 plus shipping on top. So yeah, that was a good one. I knew when I saw them that was a pretty good find. So I sold one off eBay, and I sold another one on eBay for $100. Total sales on that deal, $660. My buy was $150. Of course, the $660 doesn't include eBay and PayPal fees, but man, what a good deal. well, I got all my packages packed up and labeled and away, and I'm back. And yeah, I was actually starting to pack this thing up, and forgot I didn't put it on the vlog. So yeah, this is a Panasonic DVD recorder combo unit. Records on the DVD side too. And yeah, it's only listed a few days, and it's sold for $129.99. I don't remember if I paid $5 or $10 for it. It's one of the two, and I'm just not sure. So, but yeah, that is everything that I sold yesterday. That shipped out today. So it was a heck of a good day. Can't lie. Today's sales not so hot. But yeah, thanks a lot for watching, y'all. Hope to see y'all again next time. Take care. Bye bye.